Hello everybody, welcome to the world famous Jungle Cruise. My name is Matt. I'm going to be your skipper, lion tamer, snake charmer, alligator wrestler. If you don't laugh at my jokes, your swimming instructor for the next 2.5 hours. Before we get started, please keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat at all times. Remain fully seated the entire cruise and watch your kids. If you don't, our crocodiles will. Our first stop is here in the Amazon rainforest, where it rains 365 days a year. That's pretty much every day. Yeah, if you look around, you're going to see some of the native butterfly species. They have a wingspan that ranges from 12 inches all the way up to a whopping 1 foot. Yeah, we call them the rulers of the jungle. They're quite monarchs. Now over here on the left is Inspiration Falls. I know what you're thinking, sir. Why is it called Inspiration Falls? Well, the longer you stare at it, the more it'll inspire you to have to go. Deeper and deeper into the jungle. Everybody say, ooh. Everybody say, ah. That's inspiration if I've ever heard it. Let's keep going deeper and deeper. Now on to the Congo River, deep in the heart of Africa, where we're going to see how far we can go. I know, the jokes get worse from there, guys. Now, how many of you have seen the Jungle Book? If you haven't, don't worry, it's right there in that crate. Now we've all seen the Jungle Book, yay! I actually scheduled a pygmy welcoming party up ahead just for you. Let's get ready to party with the pig! Memes. Nobody showed up. It's just like my 5th birthday. Something must have scared him off. You guys see anything that could have scared him away? Anything at all? Whoa! That's a big snake. That's actually a python. Fun fact, pythons can grow 33 feet long. But don't worry, they'll just develop a real crush on you. They're not dangerous. It's quite a constricting relationship. I've got some snake repellent in my camp. We're just going to swing by and not going to do that either. It looks like my in-laws are in town and I really don't want to go in there. They've broken pretty much everything I own. On the bright side, I couldn't get that Jeep started this morning. Looks like they got it to turn over. Must have used a monkey wrench. We just crossed onto the Nile River. This is the longest river in the world, going on for Niles and Niles and Niles and Niles. If you don't believe me, you're probably in denial. Now that's an African pull-off, and I taught this one a trick. Watch this. Speak! Louder! Now spray the boat! We're still working on that last one. Now up ahead here is a sandstone formation. I like to point this out because a lot of people take it for granted. It's one of the bolder attractions here, but I think it rocks. You can marble at it if you like. Ain't she a beaut? Yeah, I'm very sentimental towards it. Looks like we found an African belt. Here you can see animals like giraffes, wildebeest, impalas, zebras, even a pride of lions enjoying a zebra on the rocks. Yeah, that zebra's demonstrating the #1 law of the jungle. Don't be a zebra. Zebra, the every other white meat. But don't worry, kids, that zebra's just sleeping on his back with his neck turned really weird to the side. That's how zebra's sleeping now. Oh man, are you guys seeing this? That's crazy. There's got to be 1,000,000 rocks on that beach. Yeah, take your photos, folks. That's a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Did you guys hear that? That means we're entering crocodile country. Keep your favorite family member close. Crocodiles in this river can live up to 100 years old. Take, for example, old Smiley here in the back. He's the big one on the left. The one on the right is his girlfriend, Ginger. Careful, though. Ginger snaps. She's one tough cookie. Now, crocodiles are dangerous, but not as dangerous as waterfalls. We'll be going over those later. The one up ahead is called Schweitzer Falls, named after the famous explorer, Dr. Albert Fall. We're taking this a little close. Guys, you might want to lean in. I'm serious. Lean, lean. We're not going to make it. We're not going to make it. We made it. I knew we would. Now, I know what most of you are thinking. Matt, how did you land your job here at the Jungle Cruise? Well, I think it's pretty plain to see. I took a crash course and now I'm just winging it. Yeah, my mother is so proud of my sister. But you guys know what a downplane in the middle of the jungle means, right? Hippos. Yeah, it looks like we're entering a hippo pool. Now, hippos like these have been known to capsize boats just like ours, but don't worry. I've got a gun! I'll scare them away. You guys might want to close your ears and skip me loud. Shoot! Go away! I've got a gun! It's the ones in the trees you gotta watch out for. We've escaped the hippos. We're not in danger yet. I hear drums, which only means headhunter territory. It's a really bad place to be heading. If you don't believe me, ask my Alaska over there. They were a bunch of boneheads. Now that dance and those drums can only mean one of two things, folks. Either they lost the bathroom key, or they're getting ready to attack from the right over here, so keep your eyes peeled. If anybody sees an ambush, just shout it out. We're looking for an ambush. Does anybody see one? Anywhere? Where? That's not an ambush, that's people holding spears. That's an ambush, you can tell from the leaves. And now the moment you have all been waiting for. The one, the only, the eighth wonder of the world. The backside of water! Yeah. Also known as O2H. Don't try that at home, folks. You might hit your head on the faucet. Did you guys feel that mist on your face? That actually contains over 900 different types of bacteria. We just crossed onto the Mekong River deep in the heart of Southeast Asia in Cambodia. This area was once run by the Khmer Empire, and they built temples just like the one up ahead. But I don't recognize this entrance. There could be treasure inside, more likely danger. Should we go in? Yeah. Alright, I was afraid he'd say that. You keep your eyes open because I'm going to keep mine closed. Oh no, it's worse than I thought. It's a root canal. It looks like we made it. Raise your hand if you didn't make it. We'll come back to you guys in about 10 minutes. We seem to have stumbled upon an ancient Indian elephant bathing pool. Feel free to take as many photos you guys would like. They do have their trunks on. The big guy in the waterfall over here needs to get out. He's looking a little wrinkly. Now the one up ahead here keeps trying to spray my boat, but I saw him coming. I'm onto your game! Let's get out of here before he decides to come back out. Oh no, he's coming back out. Guys, get down, get down, get down, get down, get down, get down. He's not the one you gotta worry about, it's this guy, but he's already underwater. Oh no, duck, 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 goose. Just a little dry humor for you. Fun fact, a lot of people think that's water coming out of their nose. It's not. It's not. Alrighty, we'll now visit the jungle. Is completely on a visit to my good old friend Trader Sam. He's right up here on the left. Everybody say hi, Sam! Hi, Sam! Now, Sam is the head salesman here in the jungle, but lately sales have been shrinking. He's got a good deal going on too if his head's for one of yours. No matter how you slice it or dice it, you'll always come out ahead. Any takers? No? Yeah? Just go to guest relations and fill out the form with the proper heading. Alrighty, we're going to be heading back in the dock. Before we do, a couple of reminders. Please keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat at all times. Remain fully seated until we are fully docked, and please do not cross over the center cranes. That's a tripping hazard, and that would be 2 bad trips in one boat. I'm only responsible for the first one. Well, folks, we laughed together. We cried together. We nearly died together. And it makes us almost like a family. But just like all families, 10 minutes is more than enough. So I'm going to leave you guys with the words my father gave me on my 18th birthday. He looked me in the eyes and he said, Matt, get out. I'm just kidding. Please get out. Watch your heads and watch your step. If you don't watch your head, watch your language. Oh no, don't stop. Don't stop. No, seriously, don't stop.